to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve A-level Maths, Pure Maths Year 1, Unit 1, Algebraic Expression, Mixed Exercise, question number 4. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117 channel, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find the complete solution for A-level Maths. Now we will start question number 4, that is expand the brackets 3 into 5y plus 4. We will solve this as 3 is multiplied by 5, we get 15, and y plus 3 4s are 12. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the B part, that is 5x square into 3 minus 5x plus 2x square. So we will solve this as 5 into 3 is 15. So 15x square minus 25, x square into x is x cube, plus 10 x power 4. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the C part, that is 5x into 2x plus 3 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x. So solve this. 5 into 2 is 10, so this is 10x square. 5x plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 15x, minus 2x into 1 is 2x, minus minus plus 2x into 2x is 6x square. So 10x square plus 6x square will be 16x square, then 15x minus 2x is 13x. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the D part, that is 3x square into 1 plus 3x minus 2x into 3x minus 2. We will solve this by multiplication. 3x square into 1 is 3x square, 3x square into 3x is plus 9x cube, minus 2x into 3x is minus 6x square, and minus 2x into minus 2 is plus 4x. So this will be 3x square. First of all we will write 9x cube, then 3x square minus 6x square is minus 3x square and plus 4x. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 5. Now question number 5 is factorize these expressions completely. And the first part of this is 3x square plus 4x. We will solve this as, we can take x is common from this, so remaining will be 3x plus 4. Now we will solve the B part, that is 4y square plus 10y. So we will solve this as, take 2y common from this, so remaining will be 2y plus 5. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the C part. That is x square plus xy plus xy square. We will take x is common from this because x is in these three terms. So remaining will be x plus y plus y square. Now we will solve the d part. Eight x y square plus 10x square y. So we will solve. Take 2x y common from this. Then it will be 4y plus 5x. This is the answer. Now we will solve question number 6. Now we have question number 6 is x square plus 3x plus 2. You have to make the factors of 2. When they are added gives 3. So this will be x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. We will take x as common, remaining will be x plus 2, and then take plus 1 as common, remaining is x plus 2. So this will be x plus 2 into x plus 1, and this is the answer. Now we will solve the b part. That is 3x square plus 6x. So we will solve this as, take 3x as common, so remaining will be x plus 2. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the c part. X square minus 2x minus 35. So we will make the factors of 35 such that when they are subtracted give 2. So x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Then x is taken common from this. You get x minus 7. Then plus 5. Remaining is x minus 7. So it will be x plus 5 into x minus 7. So this is the answer. Now we will solve the d part. Now the d part is 2x square minus x minus 3. So we will solve this as 2x square, make the factors of 6. When they are subtracted give 1. So 2x plus 3x plus 2x minus 3x. Because large value has negative sign, minus 3. We will take 2x as common, remaining is x plus 1. Then minus 3 is common, remaining is x plus 1. So we get 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the e part. Now the e part is 5x square minus 13x plus 6. We will solve this as, make the factors of 30 when they are added gives 13. So 10 into 3. We get 5x square minus 10x minus 3x plus 6. Now make the common 5x, remaining is x minus 2 minus 3, so x minus 2. So we get 5x minus 3 and x minus 2. This will be the answer. Now we will solve the f part. That is 6 minus 5x minus x square. So we will solve this as, you have to make the factors of 6 when they are subtracted give 1. So 6 minus 6x plus x minus x square. So take 6 is common, so you get 1 minus x, and plus x is common, so 1 minus x. Factors are 6 plus x and 1 minus x. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.